Migao mar somo kwayo kuonde tiegruok mag mbalariany mantie e pacho ka mondo miyo ikre mar rwako somo manyasani kata CBE ka jopuonjre mokwongo donjo e grade mar 10 higa mabiro. Kanuwuoyo nyasi mar sidho ogudu ne jopuonjre e mbalariany ma Alupe, jagoro mongirore e migao mar somo mamalo Beatrice Nyangala owacho ni sirikal mamalo chano okenge ma ibiro ti godo e sikunde mag mbalariany e kinde ma girito jopuonjre mabiro donjo e somo manyasani mar CBE bang' timo penj mag grade 12. Seneta ma Busia Okiya Omtata bende nokwedo yore ma omenda mag somo itiyo godo kowacho ni ok giluwore gi katiba.
Preparing our universities to receive learners trained under the competency-based education. The CBE represents a paradigm shift from memorization to mastery, from instruction to innovation. The Ministry of Education will remain steadfast in implementing reforms that make higher education more inclusive, practical, and globally competitive.
So when you open up and you see children have been sent away from school because of school fees, you get the ministry giving a fee structure. What are they doing in that part of the Constitution? Why should there be a fee structure when the Constitution says the child is entitled to free and compulsory education? And we have enough money in this country to give every student, every pupil in school up to first degree without requiring them to pay any tuition fees or anything like that.
We ask, continue investing in public universities like Alupe. Support research, innovation, and student welfare. When you invest in universities, you invest in Kenya's future.